If your dishwasher is not draining, or you're getting the reading E24 code on your Bosch dishwasher, and it looks like this inside, and it's obviously not draining, then you need to come over to your aerator. It's the first thing you should do is clear your aerator. And your aerator has some, usually they're a little different, but mostly it's got two sides. You push those in and out it comes, and you clean out this area, and you can show it right there. And that is the easiest and quickest way to fix a clogged, non-draining dishwasher. Before you get into undoing any plumbing or anything else, that's what you want to do. And then, if your dishwasher is still showing the code, you want to always just push your start button until it reads 001, so it's going to reset it, and then it'll drain. And so we'll close it. Stop. Okay, and then you can come over here and hear that is what it should sound like. It should drain. All the water should drain out. Can you hear the draining sound? Okay. So, and it'll drain all the water out and work just fine.